Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create new friend list in League of Legends. Okay, so as you can see I have two friend lists for the stream and the general, and to add additional you have to click on the social and click to add the new folder. Right now we can name, I'm gonna set hard reset name, click enter to confirm, and as you can see right here we got our new friend list. And right now if you want to move from the old friend list, for example from the general, we can do this by clicking with the left mouse button, holding, and then moving until this gray shadow pops on the list. And as you can see right now we move this guy, I like them big, to the new hard reset list. So yeah, that's how you can create the new friend list on the League of Legends. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.